everyone, Jason here again with another weekly One Reason to Get an RV Inspection. It's brought to you by My RV Inspection and MyRVResource.com. MyRVResource.com is like the yellow pages for RV services. Find just about anything you need anywhere in the country with that. So go ahead and check that out. And today, we're in a brand new 2023 RV. It's middle of June right now. This was built in May. Inspected at the factory. Inspected at the dealership. And we found something that's just kind of crazy on this one. So we're going to show you what that is. But first, I'm just going to show you manufacture date on this. And the sticker showing that it was inspected here at the dealership. So first, let's go here. And you can see right there, May of 2022 this was built. And when we go outside here, I'm going to show you a little green sticker that says they already did it in the PDI here at the dealership. There you go. Inspected on the 17th. So, RVs typically have a trim rail on the sidewalls. And it's sometimes a gutter, sometimes not. When it's a gutter, you expect it to be installed correctly, right? So, let's just go up here and check this out. Okay, so here we go. You notice how it's real smooth right here. There's not a real gutter here. If we go to the underside, we can see if I can get my finger there where you can see me go up in. There's a gutter there. That's on the bottom side instead of the top side. So a couple of things about this. You see that the awnings are attached to this trim rail. Typically, they're attached to the bottom of the gutter because the screws, typically, right here go in the top. And what that does is the screws hold tight at the top, and then if the awning's pulling at the bottom, it's not separating it from the roof here, allowing water to get down in there. So with it installed upside down, this could cause you some water damage later on down the road if you're not keeping a really close eye on it. Also, it allows the water from condensation of the ACs to just drip down anywhere on the sidewalls. When it rains, water will just run down the sidewalls. Instead of being in a gutter, going to the end, and hopefully running to the ends of the RV with a gutter. Now, a lot of times these things come with gutter extensions, or sometime a little gutter extension there to keep the water off the sidewalls. This doesn't have those installed either. That's really optional. But it's a big deal. I'm going to stop the video here in a second. I'm going to move my ladder over to that Momentum right there. It has the same gutter rails on it, but they're installed correctly. And we're just going to take a quick and show you what the difference is. Alright, we're over here by this Momentum now. If you look, the bottom of that, flat like the other one, right? And if I can get you up in there, you can see that the top of it's like a gutter. The real problem with this, folks, is the damage is done to the sidewall, you can't really fix it. It's if you flip that trim rail upside down, the screws are going to be in different places, sideways and vertically. Holes in your sidewalls then, areas for water intrusion to get in. I mean, I wouldn't want to purchase this way. Somebody may. The person I'm doing this inspection for may buy it. They may not, and if they don't, somebody's going to come here, not get an inspection, and buy it not knowing what they got. So, today's weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. Are they building these things correctly, I guess? Answer is not always. So, from My RV Inspection, myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. This is Jason, and you have a nice day.